What if you could find a town here in the Niagara region that's surrounded by vineyards, has great schools, a very low crime rate, and is right off the QEW, making a trip to the GTA in less than 1 hour? Would you believe me that's possible? Well, let me tell you, a lot of people moving here to the Niagara region slip right on by, bypass the town that I am in right now, and that's Beamsville, Ontario. In today's video, I'm going to take you on an inside tour and visit Beamsville. We're going to look at the schools, we're going to look at the safety record, we're going to look at all the things about real estate, what the house prices are going for here in this town right now, and I'm going to also share with you something you're not going to see in any other video, and that's the major advantage that Beamsville has over all of the other cities, neighborhoods, and towns of Niagara and of most of Ontario. You're going to want to stick around and hear what that advantage is. I'm Scott White, here with the Living in Niagara, Ontario real estate team, and we've created this channel to help you and everyone else as they're looking at making a move here in Niagara to find out exactly where they want to move to, and maybe if they want to move here. If that happens to be you, if you're thinking of making such a move here to Niagara in the next 9 days or 9 months, do not hesitate to reach out and give me a call, send me a text, an email, or better yet, hit that QR code and set up a Zoom meeting where you can meet me and my wife, Ellen, to learn all about what we do and how we help people just like you make the move here to Niagara smooth and stress-free. No one knows the Niagara region better than Ellen and myself. I was born and raised here. And we help people just like you find the exact location that they're looking for, the perfect town, the perfect micro community here in Niagara. And who knows, it might just be Beamsville, Ontario. So let's begin our Beamsville tour by describing where Beamsville is. Beamsville is just east of Grimsby, the gateway to the Niagara region. It is nestled beautifully on the escarpment all the way over to Lake Ontario. So you can have beautiful properties up on the escarpment overlooking Lake Ontario, seeing over to Toronto, or you can get some properties right along Lake Ontario on the shores, looking across the lake to Toronto, or enjoying the beaches and the waterfront, and you have options everywhere in between. And we're going to look at the price of homes and neighborhoods in all three of these areas just in a few minutes. So stay tuned to get an idea of what prices are and neighborhoods are in the Beamsville area. It is also situated right along the QEW, giving you easy access to the QEW for you to go east to the rest of Niagara, St. Catharines, Niagara Falls, or into the States through Niagara Falls, New York, or Buffalo. Or if you want to go the other way west towards Hamilton and then the GTA, the QEW gives you great access for that. Beamsville is known for its small town vibe with a lot of fruit farms and vineyards scattered all around the area. It has conveniences within the town itself, a large grocery store, a number of different boutique shops downtown. And we see a lot of families moving into Grimsby, professionals, downsizers, retirees coming from the GTA and around love Beamsville area because it provides that quieter lifestyle without being isolated. Which brings me to the schools of Beamsville. If you are a family looking at moving into the Beamsville area, that is usually a very high priority, is the options of schools for your children, whether they are grade school or into high school. We get a lot of retirees moving into Beamsville, and shortly after they move, they find that their children move alongside of them, and so for the grandkids, they want a great school opportunity, and Beamsville gives a great option for schooling. It always rates into the higher level of school ratings according to area vibes. It always changes year from year, but it usually scores in the higher area. All of the Lincoln area does very well in ratings of schools. Beamsville has a lot of options between both public and Catholic primary schools. We have 3 JK to grade 8 schools available in the Beamsville area. We have Senator Gibson Public School, Jacob Beam Public School, and St. Mark's Catholic School. All great schools for elementary aged students in the Beamsville area. And then of course we have West Niagara Secondary School, which always rates at one of the highest levels of secondary schools in all of the region of Ontario. So that's a great secondary school serving that age group of children in around the Beamsville area. And there's also Great Lakes Christian High School available for those of you who want a Christian education, private school option here in Beamsville. And along with children, we always ask ourselves the safety element of areas in which we move. Whether we have children or don't, we want someplace to retire to, especially if we're retiring in a safe area. And Grimsby is one of the safest areas in all of the Niagara region and all of Ontario. It normally rates 40% lower than the provincial average of crime, and violent physical crimes are very rare in the Beamsville area. Petty crimes, breaking into cars or theft from stores, etc., are the normal crimes you're going to find in the Beamsville area, in most of the Niagara region as well. But it is also a very, very safe area. West Lincoln is historically one of the safest areas in all of the Niagara region, and Beamsville even safer than Grimsby, its neighbor. Now this brings me to the major advantage that Grimsby has over all of the other areas, towns, and cities of the Niagara region and most of all of Southern Ontario. But before I really get to that, I want to ask you, if you're enjoying today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and even turn on your notifications so that you will never miss one of the videos that we put out talking about everything there is in the Niagara region. Things to do, activities that come along, community events, places to eat, and of course everything about real estate and living here in the Niagara region. We really appreciate that, and thank you so much for doing that. So what is this major advantage? Beamsville is a protected growth project. You've got the Niagara Escarpment, the Greenbelt land, and tender fruit and vineyard lands surrounding the town. That means large-scale sprawling is heavily restricted. You can't build too much outside area of Beamsville. There is growth and development happening right now in the Beamsville area, but it can't sprawl out very far. And that is a great benefit for house prices, because we're going to always be limited to the number of homes that we have in the area. It also helps keep that small town vibe, because it can never blossom and grow too big because of its protected area. Add to that the direct access there is to the QEW and how close it is to the GTA. You can get to the GTA in 45 minutes to an hour. Those things make Grimsby a very unique and advantageous place to live if you're looking at doing that. Now, having shared that, let's go look at the real estate market. What is the real estate market currently in the Beamsville area? And before we do that, I also want to remind you that at the end of all of our videos, we share a local gem. If you want to know the real vibe of Beamsville, get the insider look and understanding, you want to become like one of the locals of Beamsville, you're going to want to stick around to the very end and learn of today's local gem. But before we do that, let's look at the real estate market and where house prices are currently here in Beamsville. So let's begin looking at the housing market at the lower end here in Beamsville. In this area here, you can see they're all townhouses. This one here behind me is a 3-story townhouse with 2 bedrooms, 1 plus 2 baths. Got about 1,700 square feet of living space above the basement, and it's asking $579,900. That's a pretty typical price of what you're going to get in this area here in Beamsville. There's a lot of townhouses here. They're relatively newer homes in the past 10, maybe 15 years. And this is going to be the lower end of the house prices here in Beamsville right now. The average price of a home here in Beamsville is in around the mid $700,000 to $790,000. And that's what we're going to take a look at right now. Something in that mid average house price here in Beamsville. So now I'm in a neighborhood. Just want to give you an idea of a more established neighborhood here in Beamsville. Larger trees, still snow covered. Sorry, we are in wintertime right now. but this is an average established neighborhood here in Beamsville. And we're going to take a look at a house here that's currently on the market for $799,900, coming up right here. Currently in the Beamsville and surrounding areas, we have 44 homes on the market, residential homes, not talking about leases or condominiums. These are residential homes. There's a lot of townhouses that you just saw here in Beamsville area. And here, this house here behind me is currently on the market. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 1,188 square feet above ground living space inside the home. It's on a lot size of 65 by 134 feet. And as I said, the price is on the average price of homes here in Beamsville at $799,000. The least expensive home currently on the market, we just saw that at $579,900. The most expensive house is right along Lake Ontario, and it's selling for $4,175,000. But the majority of the homes you're going to find here in Beamsville are going to be under $900,000, in around the $800,000 mark, just like the house we just walked by, and very much like in this neighborhood that we are currently in. So we're going to take a look at one other house. We're going to look at a house in the higher range of homes, and then after that, we're going to go and I'm going to introduce you to today's local gem. And as I said before, you're not going to want to miss this local gem. So let's jump back to my truck and go over to one of the higher end value houses here in Beamsville. So here we are in our last neighborhood here in Beamsville. This is on the upper end of the price range. Interesting enough, it's also on the upper end of Beamsville here on the escarpment. So a lot of the houses here are overlooking the escarpment, so you can see Beamsville below, and that's why we're in a higher price point here. The house that we're going to come up to right now that is currently on the market is a 5-bedroom, 2-story brick home with almost 3,000 square feet of above ground living space. Here it is right here behind me that I mentioned, 5 bedrooms, 3-bath home with a lot size of 99 by 53 feet and an asking price of $1,299,000, which is on the low end of house prices in this particular neighborhood. We have houses here for $1,329,000. Another house here for $1,390,000. So you see up here on the mountain overlooking Beamsville and Lake Ontario, house prices are in and around the $1,300,000 mark. And the nice thing also is we have houses on the waterfront here in Beamsville as well. If you want to be on the waterfront, you can find homes here, all ranging between around $2 million to over $4 million. So that's the higher end of house prices here in Beamsville in these particular neighborhoods up on the mountain and down by the waterfront. So we toured 3 different neighborhoods here in Beamsville. The low end of Beamsville in around $600,000, mostly townhouses over there. Also the mid-range, the average price in around $800,000, more established neighborhoods. And then this one here, up on the mountain by the water, houses over $1 million. So that's what your money can get you here in Beamsville, depending on what you're looking for and what you want. So I am now just pulling up here to our gem of the day. So let's go inside and I'll introduce you to today's local gem. So here we are at today's local gem, the Beamsville Bakery. Great place for, as you guessed, anything baked goods, sourdough, donuts, bread, homemade bread. If you want to get that here in the Beamsville area, you're going to want to come here to Beamsville Bakery. Been in existence by the same family since 1974. So let's go inside, get myself a treat, and we'll sum up today's video. Here we are inside of the Beamsville Bakery. And this is the kind of bakery that I like. You know, look at all the options and choices that you have, all the great goodies, squares and tarts, and even pies, breads, even Opa's bread. There are way too many choices here. I don't know what I'm gonna order, but I'm definitely gonna get something. Maybe even a pie for the family and dessert tonight. There you have Beamsville Bakery. I hope you enjoyed going inside and looking around at all that they have. I got myself an apple glazed sweet bun. I'm gonna try it right now and then we'll finish off today's video. It looks awesome. It looks delicious. And it is. So once again, if you find yourself in the Beamsville area, if you're driving by in the QEW, coming up to Beamsville and you want a little snack, just jump off the QEW here in Beamsville, come over to Main Street to Beamsville Bakery. You will not be disappointed. If you find yourself moving here, living here, I'm sure you're gonna be coming to Beamsville Bakery on a regular basis. So thank you so much for stopping by and enjoying today's video. Hope you did. And if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss anything that we put out here about the Niagara region. I'm Scott White. Look forward to talking with you again in our next video. Ciao.